welcome back to the Drag Week series. We are on day 2 technically. Monday, the first actual day of Drag Week. It was less eventful than what you guys previously saw with the Sunday. If you didn't see that, check that out because that was a hectic day. Monday, however, was much easier, but we ran into part of hurricane weather. So lots of flooding, packing up. We only got one pass that day. I didn't run my best time possible because the rain came and we packed up in a torrential downpour and then headed off, and we're in a torrential downpour once more. So Monday, semi less eventful, still eventful, but stay tuned because overall it was a fun day with some pretty driving. We are on day 1 of race day. So I've got my car almost unloaded, and then we're gonna go to a driver's meeting and hopefully make a pass ASAP. Day 1, we are getting ready for the driver's meeting. There's a ton of people. Obviously, there's a lot of people on this event. So getting ready for driver's meeting, and then as soon as driver's meeting gets done, I'm going to run back and get the car ready, and hopefully I'll make a pass pretty soon. It's still foggy, so let's see how timing plays out. But I'm pretty close to making a pass, so that's good news. This is the track for the day at Atlanta Dragway. So hopefully I'll get one, and then if I have to, I'll have a chance to make one in the all run. So Bad Marrow's in line. Dad should be getting in line shortly. He's having to still recoup from his fire. But other than that, we're getting ready. So.
Hey, what are you doing?
No sleep for you.
What are you doing? Napping? Race car driver, it's not a napper. It's race time.
Racer's nap.
Huh?
Racer's nap.
When?
Now.
Now in the staging lanes? Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Making our eyelids. The backside of them.
We thought they were working under their car, but it came back here. Drag Week. It's only day 1. Day 1 is rained, but we got one time slip for both me and Dad. They were decent passes, but it is pouring. Super pouring. So I'm about to turn in a time slip. Right now, guys. Oh, hey! Guest appearance with Jacob.
I gotta go grab stuff. I hate
Pouring now. We got time slips turned in, but it is pouring. So I have a long trek back. Guys, it's a rough day in the neighborhood. Pouring. We got soaked, but look at all the cars. I love this part of drag week. Look at all of them. I'm gonna do a walk around. So we're doing a drag week. Get ready to leave gas station party. So cool cars everywhere. The crew. Check it out. Look at them all. We got Clark. We got Thad Merrill. We got Jared. We also have Dad right over there. Wave. Wave. Hello. We are ready to roll. Okay. I know somebody's going to gripe at me because I am videoing and driving. However, we are cruising on day one drive day. Dylan's in the back, Mom's in the front. We got a crowded car, but we're making it pretty area so far, but it's been rainy, but it's finally drying up, and I think we're finally drying out after being soaked. We are trying to not mess up directions this year, so we have 2 sets of paper directions, a GPS, and a Google Maps going. So we'll see how it goes. I think we're getting close to checkpoint number 1, so we shall see. Pulling into checkpoint number 1, and there's a lot of people, and it looks like it could be raining. Yes. We made it to here. Checkpoint number 1. Hey. A quick checkpoint. It's not usually this quick, but hey. Pictures were in and out. We had to cycle quickly, but we ended up making sure everybody's coming. We ended up pulling over other area of the park so that way we could check Dad's oil tank. I haven't heard what the problem is. They just told me to stop. So we're here. We're gonna spend a little bit of time, I guess. Hopefully nothing's wrong with him. Look at our peeps pulling in. Jared in the Ranchero. I don't know where everyone else is. They're slow. So here's Dad. Dave, Clark. Our caravan today consists of me, Jared in the Ranchero, Dad in the Slova, and Clark's car, Dave's car. Hi. It's day 1 and you're still driving. What is the deal?
I had to stop for lunch.
No, I mean, you're not broken.
Broken.
I have a Snapchat. No.
No,
It's a lot longer than that.
Oh,
I usually break a lot.
I know. I do. sign off. Thank you for watching day 1, Monday of Drag Week. Get ready for day 2, Tuesday, coming out next week. Let us know what you guys think. Please like, share, and comment. And as always, be happy, go fast, and stay pretty. I will see you guys next time. Want to join my team, go check out the link below. I have t-shirts available now, so order those, order decals, and show me you guys wearing them or sticking stickers all over the place. That's it for now.